Good morning. Okay, Inloveart Shop contacted me and sent me some dies to try out. So they sent me this one, DMZH066, and this is what they look like. Beautiful. And so they cut out so pretty. Let's see. That's the inside, which I think is just as beautiful as the outside. And that one. Okay. So we'll use this one first. Okay, so in this card, I used the negative and put pattern paper behind it. And then I took the outline, which would be this, and gathered it and stuck a glue dot on it and made a little flower out of it. And then on this one, I cut them apart and put them on here and put little Cartwright, what are they, confetti on there. So anyway, I really like it. It's a great set. And then with the positive, I made this, cut it out in black. So that is this piece. Put it in there, put it on gingham, and put Hello Sunshine. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. So there's another example of that one. And then on this one, I used the corners, but I also used this set, which is, it's got some crazy birds in it, and it's DMZH235. Okay, so it has this bird and this bird in it. And so I put this bird in this one, which is this car. It's a little Volkswagen, so cute. DMZH279. And that's what they look like. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So I think those were really cut out really well. Great. Okay, let me blah, blah. Okay. And then I got this one, and it's nesting dies, DMZH306, and they cut out like this, kind of like explosions or rough or fire. And so I stacked them up on this paper, and it says amazing, and it has this little chameleon on it, and they're stitched around the edges. And then I cut another one out and put it on the inside. So I think that turned out really well. They cut great again. Okay, and the next one is this branch, which this thing has got endless possibilities. I think I could sit down with this one and probably work all day and come up with something different every time. The number's DMZH294. That's what it looks like. It cuts out great. And so here's my card. So I cut out 2 in the light brown, 1 in the dark brown. Then I cut out 2 green ones and cut the leaves off and just glued them on and added some fringe, like this is a hedge. And this little bird came out of this set, which I'm going to show you in a minute. It's DMZH249. It's a little lamppost, and it came with this little bird, but I was going with something different for the light, so I put the little bird in this tree. And I think it turned out really good. And then the paper that I used for the leaves, I also put on the inside. Okay, so then I had branches with no leaves because I cut those out. So I made this card, and it looks like seaweed, and embossed this piece, and it says, sometimes I pretend I have fins. And I glued some bubbles and a starfish and a sand dollar on there, and then glued that on the inside. Oops. So there's that one. And then this last one is this DMZ H249. And so what I did with it was I cut 4 of them out, and I cut the last one out of this glitter paper. And between the 3 and the glitter paper, I put vellum, and then I used gold gilding polish to make it look like the light was on, and put it on the star paper, and I added some stars, and it says look on the bright side. And then that's how I did it on the inside. And so I just love these dies. There will be a link to their shop in the description, a link to each one of these die sets, and a 15% off discount if you go visit them. So, I mean, I have nothing negative to say. I love every single one of them. Like I said, they cut out the first time. They cut great. They're not flimsy. They're, you can hear that, heavy duty dies. And yeah, go over there and check them out. Thank you so much, Inloveart Shop, and thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye.